Okay, this will be the last video in this series of building this pavilion. Now, status report as of now, little quick up-to-date thing. Concrete pad is poured. I did bring a little bit of dirt in, put it around the outside. I got some topsoil here, and then this area we're going to leave stone so that we can future put another little pad on this side over here. Now, this video we're going to do the overhangs. We're going to steel everything. We're going to put all the steel on everything. We're going to do the overhang on this side, put the fascia on that, tin the roof, and put my bracings in here. So that should be the end of this video. We got a little bit more lumber left here, and like I said, we're going to have everything stoned up, dressed up, and then I've got some grass seed. We'll grass seed this in so that this is all looking real nice. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. It's not going to be a very nice day today. Memorial Day weekend, actually, this is what it is. But so steel's right there. Oh yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Got all my fascia stuff over there. We're gonna get to it. I think the first thing we'll do is we'll put my fascia board on the outside, and then I will run the other purling down there. Okay, so we're up on the roof here. We ran our tails long, so we sawed those off. So I'm looking for 11¼ inch overhang, and in the front we did the same thing. We kind of did one there. Same thing with that one. We nailed the 2x4 to the front of that. Cut our tails off. Then we're going to put this 2x6 on the front here, and then we're going to seam it in up top here, so when we put our fascia on, it's right in there. Got a big dime on the job up on the roof. I'll set you up here and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I lied to you. I'm not going to set you up here. I don't have my magnet or anything here, so we'll just I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, so we got this one. Put 2 screws in it there. Drew my line straight down, march this up with the peak. We'll do the same thing on the other side. I'll cut that sucker off in there, and should be good. Yep. This one will be the same. Okay, Big Dom's got us screwing in right there. We got our angle cut up on top. We're gonna go ahead and cut this one off down here so it's even right there. And then we'll screw this in, and we should be pretty close. We gotta do some measurements on top to make sure we're square on top still, but we should be putting some sheet metal on here real soon. Yep. So right now we're putting the runners for the ladder in here, so that when we put our fascia / soffit in there, we'll have something to screw to. So Dominic's getting ready to put one in right there. So they should be going pretty good. We're going to put one there, one down there, and then one at the peak. Dead battery? Yep. Okay, steel's on one side of the roof. A couple things to remember when doing this is try to keep the edge straight on this side, measure across this end and across the top so that when you get to the end, it's nice and square. Try to line up your edge so you got the same amount of reveal all the way down. We're going to set this piece up over here. I'll put you on a time lapse and you can watch us put it up.
All right, so we got the roof finished, all but the middle piece. And we have to rip the ends still, but that's what it looks like.
Well, here it is. I've got to still finish the ends and the fascia. I ran out of screws, but put some picnic tables underneath it. Had the stone around there. We ran some electric. Put the fire pit up here. I got an electric line that runs down through there. Got this thing all set up on the outside switch here. So, bam, got a little lights. Should be good. Like I said, I'm not going to bore you with putting that stuff up, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching, and remember to please subscribe, and see you on the next one.